Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by finding the catalog file so you can safely remove it. Open Lightroom, then choose File Open Catalog to reveal the path. Alternatively, check Preferences presets for the exact location. Once you have the folder, make a backup copy. This prevents permanent loss if you change your mind. Make sure to include both the LRCat file and the previews. LR data folder, they are linked. If disk space is the motive, delete the larger previews only after confirming catalog integrity. With a backup in place, quit Lightroom entirely so files aren't locked by the app. On Mac OS or Windows, check Activity Monitor or Task Manager to ensure no background Adobe processes are running. Then move the LRCat and associated previews. LR data to the trash or recycle bin. This gives you a safety net. If the catalog lives on an external drive, copy first, then eject safely once the transfer completes. If Lightroom prompts at next launch, choose or create a new catalog to avoid errors. Now empty the trash or permanently delete only after you confirm Lightroom runs with your selected catalog. Open Lightroom. If it complains about a missing catalog, use the Choose a Different Catalog dialog and point to the backup or a new file. If synced photos reappear, pause Creative Cloud Sync, then remove items from the cloud interface to prevent redownload. One common fix: restore the backup to a temp folder and import the catalog to recover metadata, then repeat removal more selectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.